That's why we call it first warning weather.
That's
and
right.
Here first. Next week, we'll be watching this one very closely.
Exactly. As a matter of fact, we even mentioned it yesterday as a little bit of heads up for folks, and that's what we do. We're here to let you know what's going on. So let's go ahead and head outside right now, though. Our satellite radar composite is showing really not so much the influx of the cold air as of yet. That's really expected to start in earnest towards, obviously, towards the northern section of the country in general. Likely within the next few days or so, the Dakotas could really start to feel that very cold air coming towards them. In the meantime, we're looking at our rain from earlier today moving off to the east and not really being much of an issue for us anymore, just mainly leaving a little bit of cloud cover. Our next story we need to look at is the system right here, kind of meandering off of the coast of California there near San Diego, and really not doing much for us until this weekend. I'll show you that in just a little bit. Meanwhile, closer to home, we can see how those showers are beginning to dissipate and move off towards the east into Louisiana, and actually getting a little bit stronger as they go. For us, though, right now, it is 55 degrees in Lampasas at this hour. It is 53 in Burnett. It's 57 in Bastrop and 59 in LaGrange. For us here, closer to home at Camp Mabry, we've been at this same 57-degree temperature basically since about 5 o'clock this evening. That is because of the cloud cover. As you see there, it is partly cloudy at both the airport and at Camp Mabry. If you have any allergy issues, you really might want to pay attention to the mold count. It is over 2,000, which makes it high, and Cedar will be medium. We're going to call it high and medium for tomorrow as well. Again, a little bit of time we're going to focus here on the system itself that could give us a couple of inches of rain by this weekend. Of course, we need it. It is pretty much setting up camp right to the south of California and then moving a southerly track right towards us over the next 48 hours or so, and has picked up a little bit of speed. So the chances of rain on Sunday that we initially said were going to happen could very well come around by Saturday. But we'll take rain whenever we can get it, of course. Clouds and radar forecast. We are showing how off to the east, those clouds that we were talking about earlier are moving out of the way into Wednesday and putting it into motion to Thursday. Basically, our skies stay pretty clear for the foreseeable future, as a matter of fact, which actually means a little bit in way of warmer temperatures as well Thursday into Friday before it starts to rain again on Saturday. We're looking at 47 degrees overnight in Lampasas, 44 in Burnett, 54 in Lakeway. Further to the south in Lockhart, we're looking at about 54 degrees overnight. Tomorrow, our forecast highs across the area are generally looking to be about in the upper 60s to maybe the mid 60s off in the hill country, but for the most part, we are going to rebound quite nicely from the rain that we had earlier today. Maybe just a scattered shower here and there. 50 degrees, winds out of the northwest at about 8 miles per hour. Tomorrow, we do start the day with fog, 69 degrees, and a northerly breeze about 8 to 10 miles per hour, and a little gusty at times as the next front goes around. Let's take a little bit of time here on our 7-day. We're looking at 66 degrees by Thursday, 68 by Friday, above average. But notice how we do have a thunderstorm. That was the system off in California I was just showing you about. We're going to go ahead and put that one at about a 40% chance. But Sunday, still above average at 67. By Monday and Tuesday, this is really when we need for you to kind of pay as close attention as you possibly can. Those temperatures that you're seeing now are a little on the optimistic side if everything holds together with this cold blast that is headed our way. But by Tuesday, a high of 49 if we're lucky, and a low right at freezing. Back to you.